Police file a robbery attempt in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come plus more. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in St. Elizabeth have filed a robbery attempt on Church Street Main Road in Junction St. Elizabeth on Friday night. It is reported that lawmen intervened in a burglary effort after getting a call shortly after 9 p.m. An officer attached to the Junction police station confirmed the incident but could not divulge any further details. There is also a report that one of the robbers were taken out by the police during the incident. However, this has not yet been confirmed by the police. We'll have more details in a subsequent newscast. Continuing the news. Still in the breadbasket parish of Jamaica. Man's body found with his shoes slashed in St. Elizabeth. A man's body was found with his shoes slashed in his house in Cheapside, St. Elizabeth on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 39-year-old Fabian Mushet. Reports are that Mushet was not seen by residents since Thursday, April 21. A search was launched by the community members and relatives with the assistance of the police on Friday. Sometime after 7 p.m., the police went to the missing man's house where his body was found lying in a pool of blood with his throat reportedly slashed. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending postmortem examination. The St. Elizabeth police is probing this development and have not yet established no motive for this latest homicide in the parish. Continuing the news. Senior citizen lost his life while trying to resolve dispute. A senior citizen was fatally stabbed during a dispute at a betting shop along Old Hope Road in St. Andrew on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 63 years old sailor representative Leroy Johnson of Swallowfield, St. Andrew. It is reported that sometime around 8:30 p.m. on Friday, two individuals were engaged in an argument at the shop when Johnson intervened. During the altercation, one of the individuals pulled a knife and reportedly used it to stab Johnson in the upper part of his body. The attacker then fled the scene in a motor car. Johnson was assisted to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. A manhunt has since been launched by the police for the alleged attacker. Continuing the news. China Harbor employee killed by gunman. An employee of China Engineering Company was shot by a gunman while ordering food at a cook shop near his workplace in 10 miles Bull Bay, St. Thomas on Friday. A licensed firearm holder who was at the cook shop challenged the gunmen, and one was reportedly shot and injured. The police have identified the employee as Rohan Hayes, age 44, from Albion Heights in Yallas in the parish. It is understood that Hayes doubles as a construction worker and also as a security guard for the company. Up to late Saturday evening, police said that they have not established a motive for the taking out. It is reported that at around 1:30 p.m., Hayes went to the corner shop along the roadway. While he was in the process of ordering food, he was pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. The gunmen then fled the area after they were challenged by a licensed firearm holder, the police have stated. The police were then alerted and Hayes was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Links 007 TV News Report will track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Continuing the news. One person injured in Scotiabank ATM explosion. More than $12 million loss estimated. The police have confirmed that a man was injured during an explosion at an automated teller machine ATM section of the Scotiabank branch in Port Antonio, Portland on Saturday morning. He is currently in a hospital receiving treatment.
Cut it in the morning in Port Antonio. In Port Antonio, take a look at it. Scotiabank, it's gone. Well mash up. Remember the deal. Well mash up. Take a look at it. It's Scotiabank. The fireman in here. Scotiabank. Well mash up.
Meanwhile, the police said that investigators are now following strong leads and expect to make a breakthrough in short order. The cause of the explosion has not yet been ascertained, however, criminal activity is suspected. Officers said that the initial estimated loss is assessed to be in excess of $12 million. A section of the bank branch which houses two ATMs was also destroyed in an explosion approximately 4:10 a.m. on Saturday morning. On arrival of officers, they observed smoke and fire coming from the front of the building. Further investigation revealed that two ATMs machines were destroyed during the explosion. The Port Antonio Fire Department was contacted and a team of firefighters responded and extinguished the blaze. The police said that a high-level probe is currently being conducted by members of the police party. In the meantime, individuals with information can assist the police. Investigators can contact the police at 119-311 or the following numbers for the Operation Office, the Port Antonio CIB or the Port Antonio Guard Room. Continuing the news. Popular Jamaican footballer shot dead in Kingston. A teenager identified as a popular football player was shot and killed by gunmen in downtown Kingston on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 18-year-old Omar Leng, a former footballer and former football player of the St. Andrew Technical High. Sources report that Leng was last year's leading goal scorer in one of the island's top football team competition. Reports are that around 6:45 p.m., Leng was standing at the intersection of Charles Street and Orange Street when he was shot. His attackers escaped in the area. The victim was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Sources say Leng lost his life on his birthday. Leng was also a national under-19 football player and a Cavalier forward. Among his accomplishments in the schoolboy football season was the hat-trick against St. Catherine High School in the quarter-final round of the competition. The striker recently made his debut for Cavalier FC. The police haven't established a motive for the shooting. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to comment this. Jamaican-born USA-based news anchor battling brain cancer dies at age 27. She is remembered as a bigger-than-life spirit and a light and inspiration for all. 9 months after Jamaican-born Shantaya Clark, a news anchor of NBC-affiliated KFDX TV in Texas, USA, started a YouTube series sharing her road to recovery after brain tumor diagnosis, has passed away. She was aged 27 years old. One of her relatives in Jamaica told reporters that the broadcast presenter and reporter passed away on April 14 after more than a year of treatment for brain cancer. After her passing, KFDX TV aired a piece in which Clark was remembered as a friend to the entire community and a light and inspiration of the KFDX TV newsroom. She was also described by the news director Adam Bradshaw as a bigger-than-life spirit. Her wit and personality could brighten everyone's day. She had a passion for telling stories in a way that it really hit home. To say our family and this community will miss her is an understatement of the year, Bradshaw said. Clark left Jamaica for the USA as a teenager. She joined the KFDX TV team in August 2018 as a news reporter after graduating from Florida A&M University and moved into the anchor chair just last year. During her time, she created an annual fundraiser for Faith Mission and gave her time and effort to various organizations throughout the community, including the Junior League, the Child Care Partners Board, and the Booker T. Washington Elementary School. On her YouTube channel, Shantaya's journey, she shared in her 4-part series, Shantaya's Road to Recovery, that she was diagnosed with brain tumor in September 2020 at the age of 25 years old. In the 4-part piece, the young woman talked about how she found out about her brain cancer tumor and the surgery, the recovery process, and how her life has changed. The final video will be posted on her YouTube channel on July the 13th, 2021. Clark said that the experience was an opportunity for her to heal from the experience while also helping someone who might come across her story. She encouraged people to know their bodies and to always seek a second opinion when it comes to medical advice. A candlelight vigil for Shantaya Clark was held in Park Central, downtown USA on Monday, We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.